Now, the Commonwealth anticipates that in your trial, you'll attempt to introduce evidence as to your reasons for trespassing.
Oh, I just might, yes.
Which is why I'm to rule on it today. In a trespass case, an admissible defense would be consent of the owner, say, or justification. If your reason constitutes legal justification, I would of course allow it in. If it doesn't, it's not relevant.
May I ask you 2 questions, Your Excellency?
Honor. Go ahead.
What's legal justification?
Oh, if my child, for instance, runs onto your lawn and I chase after him, there's no intent to trespass, just to retrieve the child.
What's illegal justification?
It doesn't exist.
Why not?
Because I throw it out.
Do you have a child, Henry?
I sometimes wonder. That's 4 questions.
If I had a child now, I would think, when I saw the missiles zooming in, did I do anything to keep this from happening?
And that's your defense?
Yes. I don't see where it differs from snatching a child away on the lawn from somebody with a power mower. I'd say there's a million power mowers in Cambridge.
I will ask one
laboratory.
question, and you're not obliged to answer today.
I don't mind.
Did anyone at Skidmore Laboratory ask you to leave?
Not ask, shout it. Get out of here with them doves.
What doves?
Oh, we each had a lovely white dove as a gift to the Skidmore.
And who shouted?
The captain of security. Secure them doves, he said. Because once he grabbed us, they were flying everywhere. A beautiful sight. It was a dove that descended from heaven, of course.
Uh-huh.
And a voice said, "This is my beloved son." It didn't say, "This is Skidmore Lab," where they make little tin brains for fighting
I know
some
what they
monsters.
make there.
For strike weapons, missiles,
I know what they make there.
and lasers, particle beam weapons.
They don't make power mowers. And your private feelings about it are of no relevance to the law of trespass.
No?
The moment the owner, through an authorized agent, said to get out, whatever consent of justification may have existed ab initio terminated.
And what are your private feelings about it?
Also irrelevant. I've taken an oath to uphold the law as it stands. You'll have an opportunity at your trial to take the witness stand and testify, but not about Skidmore's contents, the Pope's encyclicals, or athlete's foot in Bangladesh.
So the jury must find whether I'm guilty of trespassing with no idea why.
That's correct.
I don't believe this world.
You can't make a speech to the jury, sister, and any attempt to do so would be contemptuous of an order of this court.
Why?
Because I just ruled it not relevant.
Henry, you run a court where everything that's most relevant isn't relevant.
Unhappily, this court doesn't make the law. I call the balls and strikes. And it's not for me to change the law, it's up to others.
Well, I'm trying.
Try a different branch of government. The legislative. Now, if you don't mind,
Doesn't it ever happen you uphold the laws and justice goggles down the drain?
It happens every day. Every day.
A sorrowful job you have, Henry.